we'll guide you through how to add color in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because adding color is one of the most basic yet essential steps in creating 3D models in Blender. Beginners especially need guidance to understand materials and shading. It helps them make their objects look more realistic, visually appealing, and suitable for renders, animations, or design projects. To add color in Blender, begin by opening the software and starting a new project so you have a clean workspace to work in. Next, select the object you want to color directly in the 3D viewport by clicking on it. Make sure that you are in object mode before proceeding, as this mode allows you to apply materials correctly. If you are not in object mode, press the Tab key on your keyboard to switch modes until object mode is active. After that, move your attention to the Properties panel located on the right side of the interface. In this panel, click on the Material Properties tab, which is represented by a small red sphere icon. Once you have opened this tab, click the New button to create a new material for the selected object. This will automatically assign a basic material to your object. Then, locate the base color option within the material settings, as this is where you will define the main color of your object. Click on the color box next to base color to open the color picker. From here, you can choose any color visually or input specific RGB or HEX values if you need precise control. After selecting a color, adjust the roughness slider to control how shiny or matte the surface appears, where lower values make it shinier and higher values make it more matte. You can also adjust the metallic value if you want the object to have a metal-like appearance, increasing it for a more reflective, metallic look. To see the result clearly, switch to Material Preview mode by pressing the Z key and selecting Material Preview, which gives a better representation of how the material looks under lighting. Finally, once you are satisfied with the color and material settings, save your project to ensure that all your changes are stored properly and can be accessed later without losing any progress.